Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best dual extruder 3D printer under $500. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Soval. Model number, SV04. SV04 equips with dual metal Titan extruders which are more capable to produce high-quality prints across a vast range of material. The Soval SV04 has a BL touch clone sensor which is used for automatic bed leveling. Auto leveling sensor on SV04 will make adjustments to ensure the bed and nozzle are at an optimum distance throughout the printing, which improves bed adhesion and print quality. Screen operating with a responsive and sensitive touch button, all the modes are clear and easy to use. The flexible magnetic building plate ensures that your print grips well to avoid deformation and failed prints. You can peel off the prints without tools, just bend the plate and remove your prints. Built-in 500-watt branded power supply ensures stable and sufficient performance, fast heat hotbed and nozzle. It protects SV04 from unexpected power surges. Number 4. Brand name, Doogee. Model number, Gemini S. Comes with dual filaments 0.25 kilograms, ready to start your first print quick. Support common PLA, ABS, PETG filaments printing, also support printing soluble PVA and flexible TPU one-time leveling. Save data is permanently valid. No need to repeat the leveling operation. The special coating on the surface of the lattice glass 3D printer platform makes the heating fast, uniform and stable, has strong adhesion, the printed model does not warp. Power failure resume printing. Intelligent printing, automatically remember the printing progress and restart the machine to resume printing in breakpoint after power off. Gemini S is equipped with a high-sensitivity material broken detector. Once a material broken occurs, it will automatically stop printing and emit a warning sound. Integrated structure assembled in 2 steps. Number 3. Brand name, Doogee. Model number, Gemini XS. It is equipped with a power supply protection device and is equipped with the function of continuous printing after power failure, so that you are not afraid of accidental power failure during the printing process, saving time and filament. The fantastic full-color touchscreen supports 8 languages, which allows you to quickly and easily control this 3D printer system. Equipped with a new silent motherboard, stronger anti-interference ability, faster and more stable sports performance, silent noise reduction, low decibel operation. The nozzle cleaning iron sheet can effectively prevent the overflow of consumables during double head printing, making the model cleaner. The special coating on the surface of the lattice glass has strong adhesion, the printed model does not warp and the model can be picked up by hand. The ultra-quiet motherboard is equipped with an ARM high-performance processing chip and a TMC ultra-quiet driver, which makes printing process is quieter, more accurate, and more stable. Number 2. Brand name, GEMINI. Model number, A20M. GEMINI A10M 3D printer, adopting open-source GT2560 control board, delivers mixed-color objects and greatly enriches your 3D printing life. The modularized design provides you with an easier assembly experience. High adhesion building platform allows you take down your printing works easier, do not need mask tape and glue stick anymore. The V-shaped wheels and V-slot rails on each axis make the printing quieter, more stable and more wear-resistant. The main board of A10M is professionally coded to support auto-leveling function. All you need to do is connect the leveling sensor with your A10M. The whole operation process is effort-saving and would greatly enhance the adhesion of the first layer. Only 30 minutes to install, simple assembly. Resume the printing job exactly at the same place where it has been stopped. This function totally drives away the hassle of repetitive and time-consuming printing jobs caused by unexpected power outage. Dual Extruder Module and 2-in-1 out hot end Dual Extruder realize printing multiple colors on same piece, allow your customized colors, DIY unique colors. Featuring printing accuracy of 0.1 mm. A10M delivers exquisite prints with delicate texture, slick contour and stable structure. It comes with 4 main parts and only takes 5 steps to build it up. All wires are also attached with labels. Very simple and convenient. Number 1. Brand name, GEMINI. Model number, A20M. This FDM 3D printer uses 2-in-1 extruder module, supports printing with different colorful filaments on a single nozzle. Each extruder has 2 metal gears, providing a smoother feeding performance. The mixed color 3D printer machine automatically switches filaments. You can print colorful models easily. Just takes 3 steps to install the upper gantry kit on the integrated building base and wiring. Very simple and convenient. The modularized design makes it easy to build the printer in 3 steps. Its classic blue and black color combo imparts a touch of simplicity and excellence. A20M comes with a UL certified power supply, protecting your printer from unexpected power surges that can heat the hotbed to 110 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes. Shielded by its power supply from voltage spikes and power outages, A20M can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages, saving your time and reducing waste.